Hey guys, Cece back with another video, and today's video is going to be a FabFitFun unboxing. So just like last time, I have my husband here to help me unbox the FabFitFun box. We actually really had a good time doing it last time, so I thought I would bring him on so we could do it again. And this is a huge ass box. Just like last time, this is the summer 2018 box. So if you don't know anything about FabFitFun, what do you remember about FabFitFun?
What I remember about the FabFitFun box from last time was it had that cool massage thing. That was really cool. And also had like, it didn't have like sample size things. It had like actual full size products, which I thought was pretty dope.
So when he gives his stamp of approval, you know the box must be lit. First off, if you guys haven't seen last season's FabFitFun box that we unboxed, make sure you click that link right up there by his head, like right there. Make sure you click that link up there and you'll be directed to that video. So like my husband said, FabFitFun is actually a seasonal box, something that they send out every 3 months, and it is $49.99 per box. However, I do have a discount code for you guys. I have $10 off of your first box. The discount code is YvetteLuvsBeauty. I will have the link down below with the discount code and all the information. So make sure you go ahead and get your first box and save you some coins.
Always like saving money. Lord knows I do.
El Cheapo over here always does. So also, as my husband said, FabFitFun has full-size products. The box costs you $39.99 if you use the code. However, you get probably about $300+ worth of products in this box. So it's very worth it. You definitely get your money back and then some when you purchase the box. I thought the box was amazing, and I'm excited to see what's in this one. So per all the FabFitFun boxes, you get this little magazine, like pamphlet. It actually has some actual articles in here. Would you like to hold the other side? Sure. Thank you. Has some actual articles along with just showing off the products and what's in the box and all of that stuff. So it gives you tips on how to use some of the products that are in the box. I'm trying not to look because I don't want to actually spoil the fun, but just has tips. It has the products in there, what they retail for, all that stuff in this little pamphlet. So it's definitely something good if you get the box, something great to actually open up and use. Alright, so I'm going to try to hold this box up, have my husband help me hold this box up and just show you guys. This is what it looks like when we open it. Do you guys spot some really good brands in there? I know I do. So let's dive into it. So the first product in the box is actually this Classic Face Coola Sport Classic Sunscreen. So obviously summer is here and you're gonna need sunscreen. You're gonna be out in the sun, so you want to make sure that you are taking care of your skin. And that's black women also. I know we kind of thinking we don't need sunscreen. Honey, you need sunscreen, okay? Black women, black men, all of us, we need sunscreen. He'd be good for that.
Yeah, I don't use a lot of sunscreen.
This is for you. So this is actually, let me see, the white tea moisturizer. So you can use this as a moisturizer as well as a sunscreen. So we will definitely be using this summer. It's SPF 50. So make sure you're taking care of your skin out there. All right, you want to go for the next one?
Sure. This next one is Pier 1 Imports. Let's see what's inside of here. Is this like a coaster?
That's a marble ring dish. It'll be very nice to put like your rings on, like say you're in the bathroom or even next to your sink. Like when I do dishes, I take my rings off, and so I think that'll be really nice just to put next to it, put your jewelry on it and sit it down. So the next thing I'm gonna reach in here and get is something that I'm excited about, because this was actually on my wish list for a while and I kept putting it back, taking it out, putting it back, taking it out. So I'm excited to get this. And this is the Tarteist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette.
That's God's plan, because you never put things back. So it's pretty sweet that you get a whole palette in this thing, though.
Okay, Drake.
I'm just saying, Lord knows you have every palette imaginable. So to imagine there's a palette out there that you don't have, must be pretty. Let's see what's inside of this. Whatever.
So this is how it looks when you open it and take it out the box. And if you want to pull the other side open, just looks like this. A nice highlighting and contouring palette.
Oh wow, it got like mirrors on the side of it.
So it looks like it's a cream contour, and it actually looks like it, oop, let's not blind them, close it up a little bit, there you go. So it looks like it's a cream highlighter, and it actually looks like it will work for my skin tone, which is pretty cool, and the highlighting shades are actually really cute too. Let me see. Oh, that's really soft too. You guys see that? You want to swatch it with me? Put it on the back of your hand?
Sure, why not?
Ooh, show them what that look like. Show them. Oh. What do you think about that?
I'm gonna keep my comments to myself.
It smells good to smell it.
It does smell good. It smells like chocolate.
Mm-hmm. Let's try another one.
No, I don't want to try another
one. More. We just want to show them how soft it is. One more. Look at this gold. Come on. Come on. Just show them how it looks different. Tell me that don't look different, because I know you're going to say it don't. How cute are those? They're very pigmented.
Mm-hmm. Very pigmented.
So yeah, that is a whole ass palette you get in the box.
That's pretty dope though. For a $30 box, you get a palette that's probably cost $30. That's pretty sweet.
I think it does. That palette actually retails for $45.
That's pretty sweet. For a $30 box to get a whole palette that actually costs more than what the actual box is worth. That is what you call value. I will approve anything like that every day of the week and twice on Sunday.
Put on the next thing.
I'm just saying, that is pretty dope. So the next thing here is Elemis Papaya Enzyme Peel. Looks like this is an exfoliator. Oh, I've newly discovered exfoliating my skin. It's pretty awesome. So I definitely want to probably try this out here soon. I love taking care of my skin recently.
So let me read a little bit about it here. It's a rinse off cream, and it's made with exfoliating papaya, nourishing milk protein, and moisturizing vitamin E that works together to leave your skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. That actually retails for $45.
I was just about to say, like my exfoliating stuff that I use doesn't even look as high tech as this, and my exfoliating stuff is like $20. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. Like to get another product that's actually worth more than what the whole box is worth. These other boxes are pretty cool. This is my second box, and I think these are pretty awesome boxes.
Let's go to the next one. Next product in here is the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel. I don't exactly know what that will do, but let's open it. So yeah, de-stress muscle gel. Experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender, and ginger to de-stress your body after spending too long in one position or after too much physical activity. Oh, so it sounds like you just work it into your joints maybe after a really physical workout, which both of us are really good with working out a lot. So
or sitting down at work for too long.
That's true. That's true. So it smells really good. Smells really, really good.
It doesn't smell like what's the stuff? That stuff like it doesn't smell like that after workout stuff like Bengay. It doesn't have that smell at all. I wouldn't. It's not like lotion, but it definitely smells a lot better than the other stuff that like you would associate with a product like this.
It's aromatherapy, so it's supposed to give you like those good feels.
Next thing we have here is Vasanti Brighten Up. It's a face rejuvenator.
Face rejuvenator. What does that do? Let's look and see.
It's another exfoliator, basically. It says here exfoliating cleanser enriched with papaya. So it looks like it kind of works hand in hand with this other exfoliator. I don't read in the directions here. It looks like just another exfoliating wet face massage all over in a circular motion, avoid eye air. So it just looks like another exfoliator, which, like I said, I feel like I experiment with a lot of exfoliators and different face stuff just to try to see which works best, which cleans out my pores the best, which gives me the best cleanse to my face. I kind of try to work the cleanse and exfoliator in together. So these products look like they might be really, really good. This is yet another. This is one of the things I really like about this box is the fact that, like I said, it's not like little sample size bottles. Like this is a real bottle. You probably, I don't know what this retails for, but you could probably go buy something like this for like $20, $25 in the store. Like this is a lot of product. Yeah, this is a lot of product in this box.
Next thing in the box is this. What is this? Summer and Rose is the brand. Is this just a blanket? I think it's a whole blanket. Hold on. Very soft. and it is Make Your Own Sunshine. It's a beach towel. 39 by 70. It's a beach towel. So it sounds like a pretty big beach towel, actually.
Which is cool, because we're going to Kalahari for my birthday, so I could use one of these.
And we also live really close to the beach now, so we'll probably be going to the beach a few times this summer. So it's pretty long and so pretty. Ooh, it's soft too. It feels like a blanket. It seriously feels like a blanket. Like, it's huge.
This is huge.
Huge. And it's really cute. Look how cute it is. Oh, so cute. Alright. I wonder how much that retails for. That towel retails for 55 bucks.
Wow.
Yeah.
I mean, this box might trump Wet n Wild, and that's pretty hard.
Oh my god, you're still on the Wet n Wild, y'all.
This box might trump Wet n Wild. I mean, for the value that you're getting out of this box, I don't know, Wet n Wild is like here, and this box is like here.
If y'all old school subscriber, then y'all know what he's talking about. Definitely check out our video, husband guesses makeup prices or something. It was called something like that. I'll go ahead and link that up there. Make sure y'all check out that video, because that's what he's talking about.
I'm just saying, Wet n Wild is a great product, and this box is like trumping Wet n Wild, and that's pretty hard to do. I'm just saying.
Oh my god. So the last thing in the box, I actually saw sneak peeks of the box, and so I know what this last thing is, and I'm super excited about it.
Well, I'm gonna let you talk about this, because this looks like something makeup-ish, and I have no idea.
It's not makeup-ish. It's another skincare product. So this is actually the Foreo, I think that's how you say it, the Foreo Luna, and it is a skincare. It's a facial cleansing brush, is what it is.
Oh, kind of like the
Clairsonic?
Yeah.
Yes, it is. I mean, it cleans your face. Yeah.
Okay.
It cleans your face, and this thing retails for $89. $89, because I had this in my cart for the Sephora VIB sale, and I took it out. Thank God I did. Thank you so much, FabFitFun. You're so petty.
I'm just saying. Lord knows.
Alright, so I didn't exactly know everything that this thing did, but apparently, I'm reading here, it is, it's the newest Foreo, and it's powered by Bluetooth technology and advanced skin sensors to create a totally personalized profile, which is sent straight to the newly launched app. So they have an app for this product, and it's going to create you an actual skin profile and a skin cleansing routine, I guess, for you to use this product. Now this is battery operated, so I push the button if you can hear it. It's on, and really you just cleanse your skin with it like this. I am so excited for this. I have been wanting this for so long, and it's the newest one. Yes.
Is there a camera back here? What is going on back here? What is this?
I don't even know. It looks like it might be a camera in the back. Let me see the packaging.
This looks really advanced for a little bit.
It is, and then like I said, you go in and download the app. So it measures your skin's moisture, reveals your skin's age, customizes your cleaning routine, and the app records your progress.
Wow. Wow.
Pretty cool, huh?
That's super advanced. And how much is this box?
$39.99 if you use my code YvetteLuvsBeauty. So make sure you take advantage of it before the summer box is sold out.
Wow. Happy we got ours.
Alright guys, so that is it for this video. That's everything that came in the FabFitFun box this season. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed my special guest joining us. I appreciate you.
And I appreciate everybody.
Okay. Did you like the box?
It's dope. I am really excited to use some of these exfoliators.
He's been really into skincare lately,
yes,
which I'm happy about.
Yes, I have been.
So again, that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you. Thank you to FabFitFun for sending me this box to unbox for you guys. Don't forget to follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. Those are the best ways to keep up with me in between uploads, along with our family vlog channel. We do some fun things on our family vlog channel, so make sure you are subscribed to that channel if you have not. And I think that's it. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.